Kind of exciting to start off the work week a bit on the stormy side. At least we didn't get any snow like we did last week, right? Can always be colder. May can be a really wet month out there. What can we expect tomorrow? No rain, no thunderstorms. We'll be free of that weather, so that'll be nice. You'll get a good dose of sunshine tomorrow, and as a result, 70s will return to most of the Snake River Plain. And then by Thursday, we're even warmer, close to 80 for some of us in the Snake River Plain. And then this weekend, we're looking at another dry weekend. We just had one, and looks like it's going to stay that way. Maybe not quite as warm as the weekend we just had, but you'll be pleased when you see it. Looking at the satellite map right now, we see an area of low pressure over western Wyoming, starting to move eastward. This was our latest low that gave us the showers and thunderstorms. So with it exiting most of our viewing area, we won't have to worry about any storms tomorrow. Maybe a few clouds, especially over the upper highlands, western Wyoming. We'll call it partly sunny there. And the storm track is starting to push away, which is the reason why that low is on its way out. High pressure building in from the west, and that high pressure will give us a couple really nice days. Friday will be nice. It's just going to be a BHD, bad hair day, because of the wind out there. But until then, we'll deal with these, well, barely a breeze. Yeah, hardly any wind out there tonight. 42 for low in Pocatello with a partly cloudy sky. Idaho Falls, partly cloudy above with a low of 40 as well. And barely a breeze. Tomorrow, winds will notch up to about 10 miles per hour. Temperature will notch up a little bit, a little warmer than it was this afternoon. You will certainly see more sunshine than you saw out there today. We'll call it mostly sunny. Same thing for Pocatello. 1 degree warmer with a high of 73. Northwest wind, do that in our sleep, 5 to 10 miles per hour. Elsewhere, let's take a look at the numbers. We're at 73 for high in Chalice. Ooh, back in the 60s, Island Park. That's nice to see you warm up again. Afton, you're at 61. Soda Springs, the heart of Caribou County. You'll top out at 65. We'll call your sky tomorrow mostly to partly sunny. It might look a little threatening in the afternoon, but that should be all there is. Just looks rather than actually being stormy. 73 and mostly cloudy up in Great Falls. Panhandle, partly sunny in Coeur d'Alene. Go down to Boise, we'll hit 80 there at the capital city, and Burns will also have a high of 80 in eastern Oregon. Southeast Idaho Chevy Dealer 7-day forecast. We're coming close to 80 on Thursday in Pocatello, and then here comes the wind on Friday. Weekend still looking good. We're still holding on to 70 barely, but at least it won't rain, it won't snow. It might be a bit windy this weekend, especially the latter half for Idaho Falls. So we have 2 very windy days coming up. And the next 7, Rexburg, you too. You got to just tie everything down before Friday rolls in. Make sure you keep everything tied down before Sunday rolls in. But it's still looking pretty dry this weekend, so you can still get a lot of yard work done, especially on Saturday. A couple of very windy days for you too, Blackfoot. You're not alone. Yeah, you got some good company there. Almost 70 for a high in the Teton area on Thursday, and we're dry. Highs in the lower 60s this weekend. We will be a little cooler as we go back to work and school on Monday. You can see that. Look at the Central Mountains, 57. Thursday, though, 76. Almost 20 degrees cooler.